Hey everyone, and welcome back to Food Crush. I'm your Food Crush, Brittany and Carel, and today we're making one of my favorite things of all time, and that's a Buddah bowl. A Buddah bowl is pretty much a bowl full of just nutritious and random things. The first thing you want to do is get started on your base, whatever your base is going to be. For tonight, we're going to be using some sweet potatoes. So I'm going to chop these up into some bite-sized manageable pieces along with our broccoli that we're going to roast for our toppings. We're going to pop it into the oven on 400 degrees for 20 minutes or until they're cooked all the way through. For my cauliflower, I'm tossing it into a saute pan with some coconut oil and seasoning it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Once that's in the oven, we need to get our mise en place going. Mise en place means everything has a place. So I'm going to take this time while that's cooking to prep all of our vegetables. Once our base is done, our vegetables are prepped, and it's time to start on our protein. Today I'm going to be using just a very simple chicken recipe because I don't want to overpower the rest of the flavors we have going on in our Buddah bowl. Alright guys, now it's time to plate up. This is when you get to become the artist and you get to be as creative as you want to be. So right now I have my cauliflower rice, I have my shredded kale. I'm going to add my protein right on top, that delicious juicy chicken. Then I'm going to go in with our toppings. We have our nice ribbons of carrots, cucumbers for that really nice and fresh crunch, and some tomatoes for some acidity. We're going to add our roasted vegetables, and of course we're going to need our avocados. Eee, look how cute it is! There's like nothing better than like a good ripe avo. I'm gonna go really simple today, and I'm just gonna use some lemon juice. I feel like that's just a key ingredient that kind of just pulls everything together. If you ever have a really flat dish, just add lemon juice. I promise it all gets better. And there you guys have it, a big healthy meal that's gonna satisfy every member of the family. The key here is to get a bite of everything. This is so good. You guys, I am so excited for you to try this at home.